Okay, next I'll walk you through using the Crosshair tool. So moving up to the toolbar, just left click on the Crosshair tool, come onto the chart, and you'll have the Crosshair available to you. Now this tool, you can use it to cross-reference high points to the vertical price axis, and also cross-reference candles to the date and time axis along the horizontal axis at the bottom. As well, you can cross-reference low points. As well, with the tool you can measure between 2 points, so I'm going to measure from this low point up to the final high. So you left click, hold and drag, move up to the top, and then just hold your position. And you'll see some numbers on the chart. I've moved across 44 candles, 4,081 fractional pips, which is 408.1 pips, and I'm at a price point of 131.629 on the price chart. Let go of your mouse click and you'll lose the tool. To get the tool back, you can come up and left click on the tool on the toolbar, like so. Left click on the chart will deselect, and as well you can get the tool by simply pressing your mouse scroll wheel, like so. Okay. So that's how you can access the Crosshair on a chart.